This is cool, isn't it? We're gonna
Yeah.
go through this tunnel up here. It's gonna be awesome. I
Right.
can't wait. It's like, this looks kind of cool. I wonder what's gonna be going on inside of this tunnel.
Right.
I guess we'll see, right?
Right.
It's mighty dark in here. Is it scary?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It's-
Quite yet.
Oh, this is not working very well, is it? There we go. Oh, it's a water ride. Nobody told me it's a water ride. Did you know this was a water ride?
There's gonna be fire soon.
There is?
Yeah.
How do you know this? I've never been on this ride before. This is kind of cool.
It's scary.
It's scary. It's dark in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's kind of weird how
I
like
told
the back.
you there's fire.
Oh, there's some fire. Whoa!
Told you.
There's some fire. Cool. Oh no, is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that person. That's a shame. How's that person just sitting there with all that fire? It must be a statue. Ooh, there's fire on the ceiling. Can you look up the ceiling? The
Wow.
fire up there. That's pretty cool.
Cool.
Whoa. Far out.
Oh, I'm getting
Oh,
scared.
it's pretty dark in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, I see some daylight. Maybe I should put my sunglasses on now. Maybe I should put my sunglasses on now.
Okay.
Oh, looks like we're gonna get ready to go down a hill. Where are you going? Are you leaving? Are you leaving? You're getting off the ride? Oh no. There's a hill. Oh no. Oh no, down we go. Oh, oh, oh dear. Yeah, I did too.